Hi, I'm Theo DuPree from Pearlie's Washtub, located in Crown Heights, Brooklyn. We are a boutique laundromat that serves alcohol. Our motto is to ease the chore of laundry with libations. Laundry is a mundane chore, but if you're having a beer and grabbing a bite to eat, it makes it more of an experience. I'm a registered nurse by profession, and this is sort of my rebranding after the pandemic. COVID pushed me into early retirement, so I wanted to start a business, but I also wanted to incorporate my love of cooking into the business, so I decided to open up a Laundromat, which includes beer, wine, and food. This business was inspired by my Aunt Pearl. She prepared our meals, she laundered our clothes. So this is a homage to her and her nurturing of our family. Being that we're a new business, we're just starting out, I went around to different establishments to see their way of doing things. Whatever I saw that I liked, I sort of incorporated here. While looking online, I noticed the American Express Business Resources. One of the articles I saw is on digital payment. It helped guide me to pick out my POS system and pick out apps that I can use with the POS system, which makes my accounting a lot easier than what I expected. I consulted with a firm that helps people open up laundromats, and they were very helpful in helping me design the space and the construction and the build out of the space. Our machines are state-of-the-art, environmental friendly. They use less soap, they use less water, and they also spend less time in the dryer. Coins is a thing of the past. Our laundromat uses a card system. You don't have to lug around a bag of quarters anymore. You just have one card that you put in your wallet, take it to the machine that you want to use, and it's easy, easy, easy. So we serve draft beer, wine, mixed drinks. We also have espresso martinis, which we mainly serve during our brunch menu. The menu is pretty much from what I cook already. We have a jerky turkey burger, a chickpea Mediterranean salad. We also do croissant sandwiches. The laundromat is sort of a communal space where people from the neighborhood come. I think it's a great place to socialize. Our goal for this year is to establish ourselves in the community, and hopefully within the next year or so, we will be able to duplicate what we're doing here. At one point, this concept was living in my head. Now I'm able to touch it. So that's what's most exciting about it, that I'm able to, despite whatever challenges there were, whatever obstacles, I'm able to touch the idea that was in my head.